These 5 diseases can wipe out your entire flock. In this video, I will show you the best preventive measures to take and the best treatment also. I'm Chijendo Ryan from Fiesta Academy. The number 1 is a Coccidiosis. And here are some preventive measures for you to take. 1, avoid overcrowding. 2, avoid wet litters. 3, make sure that your pen is always clean. Make sure that they are clean always. 4, avoid a delay in feeding them. Make sure you have a proper feed schedule. And here are the best treatments for coccidiosis. If you want to go organic, get bitter leaf, moringa leaf, pawpaw leaf, scent leaf, dogo yellow, that's neem leaf, and add them together. Make a juice out of them and give to your broilers. It works very fast. But remember to make it thick, because the one that is not thick doesn't work effectively. Then, if you want to use a synthetic, you can use drugs like embasumfalt or anticos or any other antibiotics that has sulfaquinolidine or sulfadimidine. Then the second one is Newcastle, which is a very deadly disease. Here are some ways to prevent Newcastle from attacking your farm. 1, make sure you vaccinate your broilers properly. 2, have some measures to regulate the temperature of your pen. Don't allow the weather to be extremely hot or extremely cold. Then for treatment, there is no treatment for Newcastle, but you can give them Christmas melon, that's the organic, or you can give them a dog's gene, from time to time. It will help in preventing Newcastle. Then the third one is fowl pox. And here are some ways that I normally prevent a fowl pox from attacking my birds. 1, I clean up the surroundings of my poultry house to avoid the spread of mosquito. And also I spray insecticide. Once I sell off my birds, I spray insecticide around my poultry house. Then for the treatments, the best treatment that has been working for me is you get ampiclos, the ones that a human being take. You add to their drinking water, 1 capsule for 1 liter of water. Then you bring edible potash, grind it and add a little amount of oil in it. Then use something to rub at the affected places. Just do it for 2 days and then everything is gone. It has worked for me and I know it will do the same for you. Then another one is that's the fourth one is a Coryza. Some preventive measures is make sure that your pen is not too cold. And 2, avoid leaving the ammonia in your poultry house to be very high. Then for the treatment, all you need to do is get ginger, garlic, and grind it together and add to their drinking water. Or you can use any antibiotics that has a sulfadimidine. That is why most times if I am treating coccidiosis and I see a Coryza, I don't bother myself, because I know that the same drug that I use in treating the coccidiosis will also work for the Coryza. Then the last but not the least is CLD. That's a chronic respiratory disease. For the prevention, just make sure that your pen is not too cold. Then secondly, whenever you want to change the bedding of your poultry house, open up everywhere in case you cover them up because of the cold weather, because the dust might choke them up. Then another thing is don't allow the ammonia level of your pen to be very high. It will cause CLD. And here is the best treatment for CLD. For the organic, just get ginger, garlic, pepper, grind it together and add to their drinking water. It works like magic. Or you can give them thyroid dogs. These are the 2 things that I normally use. With these simple tips now, these deadly diseases won't be a threat to you nor to your farm. It has worked for me, and I believe it will do the same. But if you want to know more things about how to raise a healthy broiler chicks in rainy season, watch this playlist.